Good morning, and welcome to Fair Value Study. This is your pre-market briefing for Thursday, May 28, 2026. Let's break down everything you need to know before the opening bell. US markets open in under an hour, and the mood this morning is cautious. Stock futures are in the red as investors monitor renewed US-Iran military tensions and digest a fresh round of inflation data. Looking at the numbers on your screen right now, S&P 500 futures are trading at 7,523.25, down 0.22%. Dow futures are at 50,595, off 0.26%. Nasdaq futures stand at 29,941.25, lower by 0.35%. And the Russell 2000 futures are at 2,912.20, down 0.43%. Across the board, futures are pulling back from recent record highs. Even though Wednesday's session set a new all-time closing record for the Dow at 50,644. The number one story moving markets right now is the Middle East. Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps launched an attack targeting a U.S. air base, which Tehran said was retaliation for earlier American strikes near the Strait of Hormuz. President Trump responded by saying Iran was negotiating on fumes and left open the possibility of ordering US forces to go back and finish it. This is sending oil sharply higher. Crude oil is up 2.7% this morning to $91.07 a barrel, with Brent crude trading near $96 as traders price in the risk of prolonged supply disruptions. On top of geopolitical risks, we got a critical data print. The Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, rose 3.8% year-over-year last month. With oil elevated and PCE still running hot, the Federal Reserve has very little room to ease or cut rates anytime soon. Meanwhile, the 10-year Treasury yield is holding steady at 4.481%, and the VIX fear gauge is ticking up 2.64% to 16.72. The dollar is gaining ground, while precious metals are under pressure. Gold futures are down roughly 1.57% to around $4,411 an ounce, and silver is falling 2.38% to $73.11. In the crypto market, Bitcoin is also feeling the squeeze, sliding 2.91% to $73,357. Overseas, the selling pressure is broad. Asian shares slid sharply, snapping a 5-day rally, while the FTSE 100 in London is down over 1% and Japan's Nikkei is off 0.47%. Bottom line. Today is all about three forces colliding: military escalation, hot inflation, and surging oil. The key question is whether buyers will step in after the open, or if geopolitical headlines will keep the pressure on. Stay with Fair Value Study for more analysis throughout the day. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a market update. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Stock investing involves risk. Please conduct your own research before making any investment decisions.